Today, I want to talk about what is an immigration consultation really about. The first thing a consult is about, like a good consult is about, is let's get really clear on what options are even on the table, what options could even be attempted, all right? Whether or not you're arguably eligible for a green card or for a visa or for asylum or for some kind of immigration benefit. That's step one. But then if there is an option, and sometimes there isn't, right? And sometimes we've got to do research like FOIAs and stuff to even get to the bottom of whether or not there might be an option, whether or not there arguably could be an option. But if there is an option, then step two is let's really get clear about all the details about that option. Because with any immigration service, with any immigration benefits, there might be risks involved. You got to be clear about what those risks are. There are also benefits involved, and you want to be clear about what is the benefit that you're seeking. Is it a green card that comes with travel freedom, work authorization, and things like that on a permanent basis, and a pathway towards citizenship? Or is it a limited benefit, like maybe a visa for a specific purpose, or a program like TPS or DACA, which is temporary in nature and maybe doesn't provide a pathway towards permanent residence and citizenship? Like, what is that benefit that we're talking about? There are risks sometimes. What happens if it's denied? What happens? What are the strengths of my case? What are the weaknesses of my case? There are benefits like that green card, that work authorization, travel authorization, things of that nature. And then there are costs. And in the consult, we want to be clear about those things. And in my firm, we want to be very clear about those things, be very transparent about those things so that people can make a fully informed decision. I disagree with the law firms out there that that price their services by the hour, because in my experience and in my opinion, it takes away the transparency. It's like, yeah, sign here, hire my firm, but I'm not going to tell you how much it's going to cost. You want to know in your consultation, you want to know the risks, you want to know the benefits, and you want to know the costs. Another thing that I'll say about the cost is be wary of nonprofits, be wary of notarios who have a decreased cost. They keep the cost of the service artificially low sometimes, and they take away customer service, things of that nature sometimes, not across the board, but sometimes. And you got to just know that if there's a decrease in quality of the making sure, double checking that everything is done properly, or a decrease in oversight, or a decrease in communication with you, those things actually do have a cost. And now that's not true for all nonprofits. I think it is true for notarios. But imagine there's a nonprofit who does outstanding quality work at a reduced cost. I mean, find that nonprofit and then good luck getting your case with them, because their wait list inevitably will be ridiculously long. It's going to be hard to get that service. But if you go to a nonprofit that's undercharging their prices and they've got tons of availability, like maybe their decrease in cost is coming at a decrease in service or quality that maybe will end up costing you more. I'm just saying it like it is, folks. My goal is to provide an outstanding service and to really be clear about what that outstanding service costs, so that everybody can make a fully informed decision. That's what my firm is all about. We're about transparency. We're about empowering people to make a fully informed decision. And fully informed decision means knowing what the price is at the outset, so there's no surprises. And yes, that does mean, like, look, if there's something that's outside of the box, if there's an arrest or something outside of what the scope of the original service is that happens during the case, there might need to be, something that wasn't planned in from the beginning. But still, that in our firm, at least, that is clearly explained in the agreement, in the contract for hiring and things like that, because I believe in having clarity from the outset, and we explain those details in a consultation. That's the value of a good professional consultation with a good professional immigration law firm. Just wanted to say that and put it all out there. Thank you so much for listening. I'm Otis Landerholm, Landerholm Immigration, A.P.C, where we fight for your American dream. We'd love to help you. If we can help you with your immigration case, we are here to help. Please give us a call. We'd love to meet you, and we'd love to talk with you. All right. Take care. Thanks a lot. Bye-bye.